Today I'm going to share with you on perfect way you can smoke mackerel fish at the comfort of your home for your stew, for your sauce. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. Here I have a bowl. I just added garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, paprika powder, and a little bit of salt to taste. And I added a table and a half spoon of oil. I'll go ahead and mix everything together until they are well combined. Here I have the oven rack. I just drizzle a little bit of oil on the oven rack and brush it out so the fish will not stick when I place it on the oven rack. I went ahead and placed the mackerel fish. For this recipe, I'm making use of 2 mackerel fish, but you can add more, you can add less. Okay, it totally depends on you. And this is me showing you guys that I've already removed all the intestine, the guts, and everything. I'll go ahead and make an incision so the seasoning that we are going to use to marinate the fish can penetrate inside the fish. I didn't show you guys how I clean the fish because I already have about 3 or 4 videos on that. I'm going to link them in the description box below. In case you are interested, go ahead and check them out. I'm going to brush the fish with the marinade that we made earlier, both inside and outside. I just take my time. I brush everything nicely. If you don't want to make use of this particular marinade, you can just go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of salt on your fish and then pop it in the oven and allow to smoke. But trust me, this marinade take the fish to another level. It makes it very delicious. Trust me, on its own it's super delicious. Talk less that you add it into your stew or your sauce. You guys, it tasted absolutely amazing. Just take your time, rub all that marinade into the fish. I already preheated the oven to 250 degrees Celsius. I'm going to transfer the fish into the oven and allow to smoke. And it took about an hour 20 minutes before it is done. And that is it, guys. It's looking so beautiful, so juicy. It tasted absolutely delicious, guys. Let me know in the comment section, what are you going to cook with this fish? I prepared a delicious sauce out of it. And you guys, it tasted absolutely amazing. On its own, the fish is very delicious. You can have it on its own, but this particular fish, I prepared it so we can make sauce out of it, and it tasted so good, guys. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.